Hello everybody, welcome back to Not Another React. It's Boy Loungedrop, and today we're back with another amazing mystery box. So let's get the trusty dusty knife and let's open it up. And let's find out what's inside this month's box. Ooh, we got some goodies this time. So, in the box today, we have a Star Wars pencil case. Yeet. Then we have got, oh, this looks pretty cool, a Pop A Tops little game. I'm sure Little Lamb would absolutely love that. That looks pretty cool. Oh, wait, is that? Ooh. That is like a lot of fun. And then we have got a Thunderbirds Games for Brains. And this is a puzzle book. So we look inside and you've got loads of puzzles. Might be kind of fun to do some of them. Maybe. Then we've got a Sully Pop. That's sick. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that indeed. Then we've got a Friends coaster. Now we've got a little diary for next year, and this is a perfect one, which looks a lot better than the diary that I currently use. So I got a fancy diary. And then finally, and this time we actually have a t-shirt. Oh, here we go. Bum bum ba bum bum ba bum bum ba bum 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 ba bum bum ba bum. Star Wars. So there you go. That is what's inside the amazing mystery box this month. If you enjoy, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.